Alrighty. Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the writing process. To get into this, we must ask ourselves, what is the writing process? So essentially, the writing process is the process that writers use to physically and mentally organize information when preparing to produce any kind of text. Within this process, there are 5 crucial steps: pre-writing, drafting, revising, proofreading, and publishing. To get into it, pre-writing is everything you do before you begin writing. It's kind of a way to brainstorm and organize your information. You can do this by note-taking, researching, or mind mapping. And some useful tips would be to think about what topic you want to discuss your thoughts with your peers to figure out a main idea, and create a list or a word web to organize your thoughts and information. Step 2, drafting, is when you begin trying to form your paper. Ideas can be incomplete, though you want a rough idea of how you want your paper to go. In this, you can create your thesis and explain and support ideas that you've found. Some helpful tips would be to organize your ideas in order and ask a peer for feedback. Step 3, revising, is one of the most crucial steps in the process, where information is altered and reorganized. You can rearrange sentences and paragraphs, take out odd parts and replace them with clarified parts, and clarify your connections between ideas. Some useful tips would be to use quotes and dialogue, try out various beginnings and endings, add detail to develop parts or ideas, or include descriptive words. Step 4 is editing, and it's where you review the writing and correct where necessary. Make sure all sentences are complete with correct grammar and punctuation, replace vague wording, write in the rhythm of natural speech, and add modifiers for detail. Some useful tips would be to ask a peer to review your work, reread aloud for clarity. And finally, you have publishing. In this, you develop a clean final copy of your work, and you want to ask yourself, is this in the correct expected format? Are there proper citations/works cited pages? And is there a title? Now, for you to explore the writing process on your own, I want you to think of any topic you would like to write about. You can write down your main idea and begin researching the topic. 2, jot down any information that you found personally interesting for your topic. You can decide from here what your main idea is and use your information that you found to find quotes or dialogue to support your ideas. Step 3, create a web of your information, which just allows you to physically organize your information in a way that it flows through the paper. From step 3, you can use this to develop a thesis in a very simple way. Just as an example of a word web that you could use, you could find your main topic here and find 3 little pieces that branch off of this to create your body paragraphs. From one of these smaller boxes, you can use these tinier boxes to find facts or examples, dialogue, quotes, anything that you think supports your main idea. And then you just put them all together, put them in each paragraph, and then you have your conclusion. I think personally that this is one of the best ways to organize writing because it helps to expedite, sorry, I forgot my word, kind of tends to expedite the writing process a little bit and allows you to organize information that is clear and concise and take out things very easily instead of having to rewrite an entire paper. I hope everyone learned something today and that we are all masters in the writing process after this. Thank you guys so much for listening. I hope you have a great day.